Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use teamwork.com for outsourcing projects. This is your full 2025 guide. Firstly, you'll want to start by creating a new project. On the dashboard, click on Add Project, fill in the details, and hit Save. This step is crucial as it gives you a dedicated space to manage and track all aspects of your outsourced project. Now that we've done that, it's time to invite your external team members. Go to People, and then Add Users. Enter their emails and assign them to the project we just created. Inviting external team members directly into your project streamlines communication, ensuring everyone stays in the loop. The reason we do this next step is to effectively delegate tasks and manage workloads. Click on Tasks, then Add Task List. Here, you can break down your project into manageable chunks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. This helps us because it offers a clear view of who is responsible for what and by when, keeping everyone accountable and on track. Let me explain why this matters. Teamwork.com also includes a time tracking feature. After creating a task, click Log Time and enter the time spent. This ensures that all work hours are accurately captured, making it easier for you to manage budgets and billable hours. Next up, we'll look at monitoring progress. Click on Dashboard, then select Project Health. Here, you'll get an overview of the project's status, completed tasks, and any potential issues. This is a critical step because it allows you to identify any hiccups early on and address them before they become major problems. Lastly, remember to leverage the Files section to share documents with your team. It's an easy way to ensure everyone has access to the resources they need without cluttering up their email inboxes. In a nutshell, we've set up a project, invited our external team, assigned tasks, tracked time, monitored progress, and shared files. These steps will help you effectively use teamwork.com for outsourcing your projects. And that's it for today's guide. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy outsourcing with teamwork.com.